Hello and welcome to EarnWithAishamie. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create flyer for your business. Yes, how to create flyer for your business. So I know that you will have ChatGPT on your phone already. So this is my ChatGPT. So you click on your ChatGPT, go to ChatGPT, then type. Okay. Type I want to create a flyer for my brand called Risha Hairs. I sells hair, human hairs, human hair. So give me a prompt with image. Okay, then click on the arrow button to see what ChatGPT is going to give us. Let's check. Can you see? Perfect. Let's create a powerful image generation prompt for your flyer. Something that will make Isha hairs look elegant, trustworthy, and irresistible to buyers. The hair is a ready to use prompt for you. So can you see the prompt? Say I can it even tell me where I can even generate mine. He said for video VO3 or AI image generator. Then we are going to be using AI image generator. Let me see. Luxury beautiful for Isha fiction a confident African with flawless makeup and long scale human hair. Blue natural pink background. The background soft pink and gold with touch of sparkle. Can's brand name Isha. So that's written 100 ppm hair wear convenient. Can you see? So then you click on it to select your. Let's select the select. Then you copy it. Copy it. Then copy, then click on copy. Then after copying, we now go to our image generation. You now go to your meta AI. You click in. You go to meta AI to generate our image. So you log in. If you don't have meta AI, download meta AI from your Play Store. After downloading it, sign up with your Facebook or Instagram account. Then sign up with it. After signing up with it, you now click the prompt we copy from ChatGPT again, where you say ask meta AI. Then you paste it there. You click on it, then paste it there. Place your hand, then you see paste, then click on the paste. That's how to paste your prompts inside. Then click the arrow button. Click the arrow button to generate. So let's wait for our image to come to life. Yes. Wow, beautiful. Let me touch this first. Wow. Can you see Isha hairs? 100% premium human hair where confidence begins. Deliver nationwide, tang white, soft, tangle free, affordable luxury. Then if you like it, if you don't like it, you can regenerate it. So this is how to create flyer. You can regenerate it. Then let's check another one. Can you see this? Wow, this one is Also beautiful, also beautiful. Affordable luxury, soft and tangle free, deliver nationwide. And wow, can you see? Can you see how the hairs look even look human hair? Can you see? If you like, if you so you check the one you love. Can you see? Then you download it. Can you see? Isha, yes, where confidence begins. Can you see? Can you see? Wow, can you see? Wow. Wow, can you see? I think I love this one. This one is it's okay now. 100% premium woman here where confidence begins. Then you save it. That's your flyer. You save it. So can you see now? That's how to generate your flyer for your. So if you sell shoes, sell bags, so tell ChatGPT that this is what I want, blah 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 blah. Tell it what you want. So what you need is what you need to give is to give you prompt to generate your flyer. Can you see? If you have any idea from your head, you can just come to Meta AI, then click on Meta AI, say I want this, I want that. So that's it. That's how to generate in a flyer, how to generate flyer for your business. So if you don't like it, you can regenerate again and bring it to life. Can you see? Just click on the one you love, then start posting. You can use it to run ads. So that's how we create our flyer for our business. How to create flyer for our business. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because hey, don't miss out though. Every week I will be posting beautiful tips. Yes, you know, every day is new technology. Every day is new technology. So if I have any new tips, I'm going to be creating and posting into this channel. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Once again, see you in the next one. Try and watch our video so you may see anyone you still love to watch and create. So just be creative, learn and implement. Then don't forget to create yours and submit your assignment into the group. Bye.